The Stradman twin turbos, his Gallardo, Life Apollos, broke an interesting story the other day, and my boys are driving the manual Supra. All of this and more on today's episode of Sinclair News. What's up everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Sinclair News. I'm your host AJ, Sinclair Photos, and as you can tell, I don't feel very good right now. I'm getting a little bit of a cold, but I'm still going to bring these videos to you guys and drink my tea to help my throat feel better as I do it. As with that being said, we have a huge weekend planned. We got Town Lake Cars and Coffee, a Twin Peaks car meet, and then I'm going to Austin on Sunday for a couple videos. And I'm not going to miss any of it because I'm sick. I'm going to stay rested, eat well, and drink some tea, and we'll be good to go. So don't you worry, I'm not slacking. The videos will come out whether I am dying or alive. So also, before we get into the news, I just want to let you know we're at 19,700 and very close to 800 subs. A little bit over 200 subs away from the 20,000 subscriber $100 giveaway, and I could not be happier. We've been growing immensely over the past couple weeks, and I thank you so much. It means the world to me, and you guys watching the videos will help me get the money to build the car more. I have a huge announcement coming for that at the end of the month, I'm pretty sure, so stay tuned for that. And if you want to help a little bit more, we're having a 15% off sale on our merch store right now. I'll put the whole page up on the screen. Lots of interesting things to choose from. We got cups, we got mugs, we got die cut stickers, which a lot of people have been asking for. We got different shirts, hoodies, and pullovers, and even phone cases. So go swing by the shop, use code SP20K for 15% off, and cop yourself some Sinclair Photos merch for Christmas or your buddy. I believe with the standard shipping right now, it will be able to get there before Christmas, so go ahead and get you some. That means a lot to me, and then you can rep your favorite YouTuber. So, that being said, let's get on to the first story. Our first story, and a couple of stories actually, come from the Stradman. We'll start with the big one that I'm a little bit late on. I was gonna record this video like 2 days ago, but I got sick, so I didn't. But Life Apollos broke a good one the other day. So I watched Stradman's video a couple of days before, and he said that his new supercar was on a flatbed coming from Albuquerque, New Mexico to Salt Lake City, Utah. I'll roll that clip now.
If today's video gets 112,417 likes, in my very next video, I will reveal my new supercar. It's currently on a truck on its way to Utah from Albuquerque.
So in my head, I think that he's going to be getting the car in a couple days time, but then he goes off and gets on probation and has to go to Hawaii to pick up his new Ford GT that no one knew about. Now, Life Apollo said that he thought that this video may have been recorded like before the whole thing went down or something like that, but I think, as well as he did, that the Ford GT was just such a good deal that he couldn't pass up on it, but the new car is still coming. Now, another big announcement for him is he's going to Chicago to get his Gallardo twin turbo from B-Rogue Build Performance or something like that, which is very exciting. His garage is getting crazy as of now, and his cars actually work, which is amazing. He's got the Aventador, the Supra, the Gladiator with the Hellcat engine, the Gallardo, the Ford GT, and the 430 Challenge car, which is an amazing garage. And I'm excited for this twin turbo build for his Gallardo. That thing is going to be absolutely insane, and I'm sure he's going to drive it a lot more now that he has that done. Now the question is his new car going to end up in Chicago? Because he's going to have to drop that Gallardo off for a couple weeks, I'm guessing, maybe even a month. I know that process isn't a short process, so I'd imagine, this is just all speculation, he's going to go up there, drop his Gallardo off, take delivery of another supercar, drive it back, then fly back up there, get the Gallardo, and then drive it back. That's much my guess. I may be wrong, who knows. We'll see. In the coming days, I'm gonna take a sip of my tea. And on to the second story that also happens to come from the Stradman. Our second story, I find this pretty funny. As we know, the Stradman has found a new Strad girl. In a couple of his videos, you can see her for a couple seconds. In his latest video, where he talks about his twin turboing the Gallardo, he blurs her out every time she's in the shot. I found that was pretty funny. That just goes to show you guys, clout isn't free. And if she's gonna be a real one and hold it down, she doesn't need to be on camera. So that's a smart move by the man, James the Stradman. Gotta keep them ladies in check. But I just wanna know what you guys have to think about that. I thought that was a little funny thing to throw in there. But now we're going on to our third and final story. Our final story today comes from my boys over at European Auto Group out there in San Antonio, Texas. You might remember these guys as the people that built the first manual 2020 Supra in the world. Super excited about this. They went and drove it with another YouTube channel, and I'm just waiting. Next week seems pretty free to me. Next weekend maybe. I'd love to come out there and ride in it with y'all, check it out, and then maybe check out the manual scud they have as well. So if you're watching, guys, hit me up in the DMs. I might send you a message in the coming days, but hopefully we can get some 2020 Supra action on the channel very, very soon. Sorry about the short one today. I'm trying to save my voice for this weekend, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Always remember, watch the best and skip the rest. If you liked the video, please smash that like button. It means a lot. Subscribe if you're new to the channel to help us reach our goal, and I'll see you in the next video.